gotta watch for snakes. There's a lot of rattlesnakes.
I'm looking for them. What would happen if I get bit by a rattlesnake? Like, would I just die right now?
No.
Are you taking a video, Dad? Yes.
We'd have to run to the hospital real quick. And they give you shots of antivenom.
Looking for snakes.
We're looking for snakes. What else are we looking for?
No,
What are we gonna do with the birds?
Birdie,
Birdie, birdie, birdie.
We're not gonna kill any birds.
We're not?
No.
Just gonna pretend? What's this for then?
Oh, that's a Nerf gun. Smells like cow crap.
Smells like a dead animal.
Yeah, we smelt that the other day we were out here. But yeah, I'd say that's the culprit of the stink.
That's the skin.
Is that cow?
That's like a cow skin.
Why is it out here?
Oh, it's like somebody just ate a cow.
Hopefully it's not
Really?
Spot.
Really? That guy eats his cows?
I don't know. I think we all eat some cow sometime.
No kidding.
Dude.
That's pretty cool.
We just had a cow for dinner.
You had a cow?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Eh.
Yeah, it stinks like a whoo, man. I don't know. Maybe he's drying it, making some leather. We could chop it up and dry it out and make some knife cases with it. For the knives we're making.
Guys, what if we spot?
I hope it wasn't spotted.
Look how long this hole is.
What'd you find? Ooh. Wonder what lives in there.
Maybe a tarantula.
Oh, that'd be one big tarantula. It could be a snake of some sort.
Maybe the new
You find any birds yet?
No.
No?
For a mountain lion.
Mickey is a zombie killer.
He's got the zombie killer knife. Yeah. Never know when you need a knife.
That's why me and you both got one.
You both got knives too?
I
Man.
got the one with a bunch of stuff in it.
Oh, the Swiss Army knife. Yeah, they're one of the coolest.
A little pocket.
All right.
It's not
Hold
like the
a
smallest
pocket
one.
knife this big.
So it's like this.
The other side.
There's a tarantula pool.
Where?
Right?
Looks like it.
Tarantula hawks go down and eat the food.
Yeah. That one might have been eaten already because there's no web over it. Toucan, they'd probably taste good too.
Why do you have a knife? Like,
Nikki, her, and Sue, and me. I have a knife in case we need it.
why? Why would...
If there's a rattlesnake, we could try and eat a rattlesnake. We'd need a knife to chop its head off to carry it home.
Why would we eat a rattlesnake?
Why would we eat one?
Yeah.
Because it tastes like chicken.
I learned in a survival situation, if you kill a rattlesnake, if you peel all the skin off, you could use that as a water bottle.
Yep, and turn it inside out. Yep.
What is that bird? I heard a bird.
Every time we go camping, we should bring a gun.
What the heck is that? I keep on hearing a weird bird.
Can you look up this trail?
Wow. Didn't we go?
Some plants.
Do you want one?
Fruit snacks are good. Flycatchers have that yellow belly too, and I don't know about you guys, but eating something called a flycatcher probably tastes like a bunch of flies.
There's one. Did you get it? There's another one, Dad. Two more right there. You got it. Here we go.
Where are we going?
We're going to get 4 birds.
Yeah. We gotta be quiet still. Might be more. Blood right there.
Oh, yeah. But there's no blood.
Follow the blood.
There's blood.
He's right here somewhere, guys. Was it in this tree here?
Yeah.
Or that tree? I thought it was that tree.
Yeah, me too.
No.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nick is gonna get his first bird.
I have a potato chip.
Wait, Iris, I want to give you a chip.
Chippy, chippy, chippy. Mmm.
Like, something for the bird.
Tell, it looks like a parakeet maybe. Let me see. Yeah, false alarm. Some parakeets up in the tree there. Oh, whoa. Tiny little guy.
And it's not even a hummingbird.
Little tiny guy.
So tiny.
What kind of bird do you think it is? What do you got?
Jelly beans, but they're the hardest things in the world to open.
You want some help?
Really? Got one.
Got one.
Good job.
Good job, baby. You a cartwheeler? Me neither. Can't bring them up.
Nikki's like the best at cartwheels. I'm gonna get you.
Kind of sound like the doves.
Work on your dove call, guys. That way we can get them. What have we been doing out here all day, guys?
Hunting birds.
Tell the camera. What have we been doing?
Hunting birds.
Hunting birds?
Yeah.
Oh, and tripping?
Yeah.
Hunting and tripping?
I'm almost face planted.
We caught 4 birds so far,
All right.
and we have 3 at the house.
All right, what do you think about that?
I think it's
Awesome.
yeah. Sure.
Going on a hunt.
We almost have a whole dinner.
Have a what?
A whole dinner.
I know, wow. We got like 7 teaspoon-sized breasts. Pretty good, right?
And why?
Maybe maybe later we can get some rice.
Dance again.
Rice and bird.
I see you. No, we did it wrong. I see.
My dad's gonna try to shoot a bird. I have no idea where it is, but I have no idea what she's doing. What are you doing, though? Let's see. She's cocking it. Do you think he's gonna get it? I can zoom in on that. He missed. Yes. Get the other one. I see you. My dad's gonna take a video. I mean, shoot.
Lift this wire up.
Right, do you think he's gonna get it? Yeah. Dad,
It's 50-50 chance.
do you think you're gonna get it? Do you think he's gonna get it? Oh, do you think he's gonna get it? What are you trying to do? What are you guys doing? Should get. It was a little more this way. No.
Okay. I'm gonna go up here and try this field one more time. See if we can't get any. Nikki doing his first pull. Get it.
Whoa, look how
It's kind
big
of cool,
that
right?
is.
We get to eat them now.
Look how big that is. Oh man.
What?
Ugh. What is that?
That's in the stomach. Look at that. That's whatever seeds he's
I
eating.
feel them.
Yeah, they look like pellets. How's the plucking coming, girls?
Good, but the feathers are all sticking to me.
Yeah. Doing there, bud? Picking the bird? What you got there? See all the birds? Check out all them birds. Look at these bird legs.
They're big. I'm glad we
Nice
kept
bird.
them.
How many birds?
8.
8 birds? Chopping up the garlic.
No.
Your bird. I'm gonna put that there, you have the garlic and the bird. You've eaten frogs?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
What kind? Cane toads? What you doing there, bud? What you doing?
Cooking the bird.
Cooking up some bird, getting your garlic ginger going. Let's check these boogers. What you got going?
I'm gonna put the lights on. Oh, this one has a lot of meat. Oh.
Getting your bird on. What do you think, girls? You ready?
Ooh.
Bird?
Yeah.
Bird? Load it up.
That one's crispy.
Fly, little Christmas. Fly, little birdie, fly.
It's not fly, a bit.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Man, that looks like a heck of a dinner right there.
Wait, let's bring them over.
Bird. Kobe wants the bird. Kobe loves the birdie. Go ahead, give him a try. What do you think? What? You got the skin? There's that chicken. What do you think, Mila?
You got it, though.
What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
How about you? What do you think, Noah? Perfect. Oh?
You're gonna give mine a piece of.
I'm holding under the sink cap.